can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Avalanche. The last 1 month has seen it done by 11%. The last 1 year has seen it done by 34%. But the last 1 week, we have seen renewed optimism return to the altcoin market. Avalanche is up 6.6% in the last 24 hours. Which begs the question, how high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? All seasons around the corner. We'll look at Avalanche performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. We'll look at Avalanche performance against Bitcoin, Avalanche performance against Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Avalanche market cap, which sits at the $9 billion level. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Avalanche currently trades above $21 with 24-hour trading volume of more than $439 million. It has a fully diluted market cap of $15.5 billion. The all-time high for Avalanche happened on the 21st of November 2021. Avalanche traded for as high as $146. Right now, Avalanche is down 85% from its all-time highs. So what's the fuse about Avalanche? Why is it important in the cryptocurrency market? Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized application and custom blockchain network. It's one of Ethereum rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second, while not compromising scalability. If you want to get some Avalanche for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get the popular altcoins. You look at Avalanche performance against the US dollar. Avalanche is one of those altcoins you want to be holding when the market is pumping. We saw it dumping in the first full crypto bear market which it experienced. Technically, that was not a bear market, but when it started pumping, guys, when it started pumping in 2021, you wanted to have some Avalanche in your portfolio because we saw it rallying to new all-time highs. We saw Avax hitting the $142 level, and in just 329 days, we saw it rallying up by more than 4,900%. $1,000 invested in Avalanche would have given you about $50,000 when the bull market ended. But good times don't last forever. All coins can be volatile, and this volatility leads to bear market. And Avalanche first full crypto bear market this time around, we saw it losing around 90+% of its value. To be exact, it lost 93% of its value, which is a regular occurrence in the altcoin market. Altcoin market is very volatile. It's volatile as we're pumping. That's why you can see thousands of percentages pump in a short time. It's volatile when we're dumping. That's why you can see all coins losing 93% of its value, and market participants are still buying more. Why are they buying more? Because they believe those altcoins will come back. They believe we will see it pump in the future. And more times than not, those altcoins eventually do pump. The market rewards you for buying when there's fear and for selling when there's greed. If you buy when there's fear, when Avalanche was trading around the $8 level, you got to sell when it got to $61. That was in March of 2024. You had another opportunity in November of 2024 when it got to around $55. That was more than a 500% pump from the bottom. But right now, guys, the final pump is, there's always arguments about how high the final pump will go. Are we going to see Avalanche face resistance before we get to that new cycle high? Can we get to the $50 level? When we start pumping from where we're currently trading around the $21 level, for Avalanche to get to $50 is very, very possible. That one can happen very, very quickly. From where we're currently trading, that will require around the 134% pump for us to pump higher than that. That will require Avalanche to pump by around 200%. And for us to get to new all-time highs, guys, we need to see Avalanche pumping by more than 550%, which is possible, which can happen very, very quickly. Stranger things has happened in the cryptocurrency market. Your number one job is just to buy when you're seeing the price low. The higher we go, the more you sell for some sweet profit. The higher we go, the more expensive the market becomes. If you look at Avalanche performance against Bitcoin, after it was launched, it had a crazy dump against Bitcoin, and that crazy dump led it to setting new all-time lows. That crazy dump against Bitcoin led Avalanche dumping. But guys, if you're one of the smart players that saw it down 91% against Bitcoin in 98 days and you went all in, you bought Avalanche there, you would have performed really well in the corresponding days and months because you would have outperformed Bitcoin by more than 2,400%. Now, altcoins outperform Bitcoin when the market is bullish. You might be wondering why. It's because these altcoins carry much risks, and if we are going to buy them, they have to outperform. And even though Bitcoin will rally, those altcoins will really rally harder than Bitcoin. But when the market starts dumping, the reverse is the case. Bitcoin will also dump, but these altcoins will also dump harder than Bitcoin. And that's why in the bear market, you see altcoins losing value faster than Bitcoin. In 2024, we saw Avalanche making an attempt to pump back to new highs. That attempt was thwarted after we rallied up by more than 270%. In 2025, I believe we'll make another attempt this time around. I don't think we'll get to new all-time highs, but I believe a 200 to a 300% pump is on the cards. A 200 to a 300% pump is possible and can happen at any point in time. If you look at Avalanche market cap, there's been a lot of seesaw. If you look at Avalanche performance against Ethereum before we check the market cap, there's been a lot of seesaw. Avalanche has not been able to get new all-time highs since 2020 when it was launched against Ethereum. It has had many dumps along the way. It has eventually pumped along the way. We have seen huge dumps. Those dumps have carried Avalanche near lows in 2021, near lows in 2021, eventually worked its way out. The last time we saw it having one of those existential crises was in September of 2023. And after that, Avalanche outperformed by more than 271% against Ethereum. I believe that will happen in this 2025. The final phase of the cycle, see market participants go all in. They go risks on. They want everything to just come. Many people are feeling like they have missed the cycle, so they are going to be betting on a lot of altcoins to aggressively make up for the losses that they think they have done. That's by buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. So expect to see altcoins like Avalanche outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in the final stages of the market cycle. And if you're calculating your bull market exit plan, don't forget to look at the bear market. Don't forget to look at the market cap charts. Very important. We saw Avalanche market cap in 2021 getting to as high as a $32 billion region. But since then, we've had difficulties even getting to those price range. In March of 2021, we saw the market cap get to as high as $23 billion. In December of 2020, sorry, I said March of 2021. In March of 2024, we saw the market cap getting to as high as $23 billion. In December of 2024, the market cap went back to test that $23 billion level. But guys, that's cause for concern, because if you look at it, Avalanche since then have not been able to break to new all-time highs. Even though we have gotten rejected here multiple times, Avalanche has come down to new lows. For us to break to new cycle highs and to new all-time highs, we need to see Avalanche pump by more than 270%. Again, it can happen very quickly. So finger crossed. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you buying more Avalanche right now? Do you believe the bull market is still on? How high do you see Avalanche going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.